morning time already. Well, gotta get up now. Welcome back to Playtime TV. Today, I'm going to be doing my morning routine. As you probably just saw, I just woke up and I'm really tired. But today I'm going to be showing you guys my morning routine. Oh, it looks like Timmy's still asleep. Here, let me go get him. Timmy! Timmy, wake up! Mommy wants us up right now. Timmy!
What is it, Annia? I'm trying to sleep.
It's just that Mommy wants us up right now. It's 10:30. Mommy made food.
Food? What food? I want food.
Then we have to get ready.
Fine. Where's the food?
You have to get ready first, silly. Let's go. Okay, let's brush my teeth, and then I'm going to go on the toilet and finish business. Shh. Now I am all done brushing my teeth, and now I'm going to sit on the toilet. All finished. Okay, always wash your hands after you go use the restroom. Mary had a little lamb. It's Timmy's turn. Timmy!
Yeah, what is it, Annia? Oh, you're done in the restroom? Can I go in there now?
Yes, Timmy, I'm all done. Remember, Timmy, this is my morning routine, not yours.
I know that. I was just asking if the restroom was open.
Oh yeah. Yes, it is. I'm finished. Okay, I'm gonna go now.
Okay.
Oh, it looks like Katie's awake. Let's get you some food so you can eat, sweetie. Okay, I have to go. Annia! Timmy! The food's ready! Oh, Mom's calling us. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm so hungry. Coming, Mom. I'm going on the elevator now. Okay. Level 1, please. Sweetie. Okay, I fixed you some cereal, and I also fixed you some orange juice. So if you want to go eat some breakfast, sweetie, then you can have some. Oh, thanks, Mom. Okay, Mom, I'm gonna go. I will give you kisses. Thank you so much, sweetie. Okay, now go and eat. Okay. Wait. Where's Timmy? Oh, don't worry, Mom. He's just getting ready. Okay, go and eat, Annia. We have some cereal. We also have some milk, and then I have some orange juice. Yes. This is the best day ever. All right, now I'm all done. Hey, Mom, I'm all done. Is it okay if I go to Chloe's house? Sure, sweetie. Let's just ask your father first, okay? Okay, Mom. Dad!
Good morning, sweetie. What was it that you needed?
Hey, Dad. Good morning. Hey, Dad. Is it okay if I go to Chloe's house today?
Sure, sweetie. As long as that's alright with your mom. Stacy, what do you feel like?
I think it's okay. What do you say?
Hey, Annia. You can go to Chloe's house today.
Yay! Thank you so much, Daddy. Okay. Is it okay if I go get ready now? Of course, sweetie. Go get ready. Okay, Mom. I'm gonna take the elevator. Yay! I can go to Chloe's house today.
Hey, what's all this noise? What happened?
Oh, yeah, Timmy. I'm gonna go to Chloe's house today.
Chloe? Chloe, you mean your best friend?
Yeah. Chloe.
I want to come. I want to go.
No, Timmy, you're not coming with me. Okay, I'm ready now. Let's just go. Oh, I'm sorry, Katie. You can't come today. I'm going to Chloe's house, and I don't think you can come right now. Mom, Dad, I'm all ready. Okay, kid, is it okay if you could please take Annia to Chloe's house?
Sure, sweetie. Let me just get the car ready, all right?
Okay, thank you. Okay, I'll see you in a bit.
All right. Okay, Annia, let's go.
Okay, I'm coming, Dad. All right, let's go. Off to Chloe's house we go. Bye, Mom. Bye, sweeties. I just want to thank everyone for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching my morning routine. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. And come back to Playtime TV for more exclusives on my friends, my family, and my school. All right, guys. Bye.